we sang the song The Grandfather's Clock. Today we're going to sing a new song about clocks, but first we're going to get warmed up. So I'd like you to stand up, stand with your feet slightly apart, and let's give our hands a shake. Well done. Let's march on the spot. Fantastic. Now we're going to move our shoulder round and the other one. Both together. Back the other way. Right, we're going to do some clapping. Well done. Now let's wiggle our fingers. Smile. Jump up and down. Well done. We're now ready to sing our new song. Listen first and then I will teach it to you.
The grandfather clock in the hall says, tick, tock, tick, tock. What does the clock on the wall say? Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. What do little watches all say? Tick-a-tock-a, 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 tick.
I'm now going to teach you how to sing the song. So I'll sing the first little bit and then you can copy me. So the opening goes like this. It goes,
the grandfather clock in the hall says,
your turn, here we go, ready?
The grandfather clock in the hall says,
listen, tick, tock, tick, tock. You do that, ready? Here we go, ready? And tick, tock, tick, tock. Good. Now the next little bit goes like this.
What does the clock on the wall say?
Your turn to do that, ready? Here we go.
What does the clock on the wall say?
Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. Your turn to do the tick tocks. Here we go. Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. Now listen to the next little bit.
What do little watches all say?
Your turn to do that. Ready? Here we go.
What do little watches all say?
And then we have to count to 4 before the next bit comes. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Tick-a-tock-a, 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 tick. You try that. Ready? We'll count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tick-a-tock-a, 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 tick. Well done. Now after the introduction, join in. Let's do the whole song.
The grandfather's clock in the hall says,
tick, tock, tick, tock.
What does the clock on the wall say?
Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock.
What do little watches all say?
Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tick-a-tock-a, 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 tick. Well done. In a moment, we're going to sing the song all the way through, but we're going to add some sounds for the tick-tocks of the different clocks. So I had a look in my cupboards to see what I could find to make the sounds. So the grandfather's clock is big and makes a deep sound. So I found a plastic bowl and I've got 2 wooden spoons. So for the grandfather clock in the hall says tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. Now for the clock on the wall, I'm going to use my 2 wooden spoons like this. Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. And then for all the other little clocks, I'm going to turn my wooden spoons round, and I'm going to go tick-a-tock-a, 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 tick. So you might want to pause this video while you go and find some things. Now, if you haven't got anything new to do, what you could do is you could go tick, tock, tick, tock for the grandfather's clock. You could go tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock for the clock on the wall, and tick-a-tock-a, 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 tick for the little clocks. So pause it and see what you can find.
The grandfather's clock in the hall says tick tock, tick tock. What does the clock on the wall say? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. What do little watchers all say? Tick-a-tock-a, 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 tick. The grandfather's clock in the hall says tick tock, tick tock. What does the clock on the wall say? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. What do little watchers all say? Tick-a-tock-a, 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 tick. The grandfather's clock in the hall says tick tock, tick tock. What does the clock on the wall say? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. What do little watchers all say? Tick-a-tock-a, 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 tick. Hey!
Can you remember from our previous sessions we have learnt about crotchet beats or walking notes, crotchet rests, shh or silencers, and quavers, running notes. Look at the rhythm patterns of the clocks in our song. I'm going to clap these. So the grandfather's clock is a mixture of crotchet beats and crotchet rests. Shh. Listen as I clap it. Shh, 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 shh. Let's do that together. Ready? After I've counted 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shh, 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 shh. Let's try that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shh, 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 shh. Well done. Now the wall clock is made up entirely of crotchet beats. Listen as I clap that. Let's do that together. Ready? After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. Ready? 2, 3, 4. Good. Now the small clocks is made up mostly of running notes, of quavers. Listen as I clap this. Shh. Let's try that. Ready? After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shh. Can you see how it ends? We have a crotchet and then we have a silence. Let's do that one last time together. Ready? After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. We're now going to join these rhythm patterns together. We'll start with the grandfather clock, go straight into the wall clock and finish with the small clock rhythm. Are you ready? After I've counted 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Shh, 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 shh. Shh. Well done. Let's do that one last time. Ready after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shh, 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 shh. Shh. Well done. We're now going to sing the song again, and we're going to use the rhythm patterns that we have just learned. So if you've got your plastic bowl and your wooden spoons, that would be fantastic. If not, just clap along. So we're going to sing and play our rhythms for the first time through. The second time through, we will do the grandfather rhythm and the tick-tock, tick-tock. And in the 4 counts rest, we'll quickly change so we can do the ticka-tocka, ticka-tocka, and then we'll do the last verse all together. Now at the very end, listen out because there's a big hey! Here we go. The grandfather clock in the hall says tick-tock, tick-tock. What does the clock on the wall say? Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock. What do little watches all say? Tick-tock, 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 tick. Good. Now get ready to do the grandfather rhythm. Here we go. Now let's change to the other rhythm. Keep going with this rhythm. Now, here we go. Get ready to change. 1, 2, 3. Good. All the way through. Let's sing together. Here we go. The grandfather clock in the hall says tick-tock, tick-tock. What does the clock on the wall say? Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock. What do little watches all say? Tick-tock, 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 tick. Get ready for a big hey. Here we go. Ready? Hey! That's it for today. See you next time.